Watch how a single duck completely bamboozled 8 tigers by playing hide and seek with them in the water. And here's a duck who also loves playing dangerous games with tigers and dove underneath the water just in time to avoid becoming their afternoon snack. When a leopard went berserk in this neighborhood and attacked a man, these dogs teamed up against the vicious animal to protect their owners. This alligator thought it would be an easy fight against an old man, but this brave guy can fight back. When a hawk attacked a chicken on a farm, the other animals came running to the rescue and bravely fought it off. This pesky rhino learns a life lesson the hard way when he attempts to bully a giraffe, only to get kicked right in the grill and run off crying for mommy. A snake thought a frog would be an easy target, but this frog never gives up. These 2 northern elephant seals engage in a brutal battle for the right to mate with a female. Even though the smaller seal has gotten half his face torn off, he still doesn't retreat right away. This cobra challenges a mongoose to a deadly fight, and when the mongoose moves in to attack, the cobra strikes and misses. Eventually, the mongoose attacks again, and this time he doesn't miss. I guess snakes are on the menu tonight.